Well, I got helicopter optimal on hard. God, this took over 2.5 hours to get. Fucking stupid as fuck. I kept choking on the last double when it's actually easy as fucking shit. 170 BPM. I kept choking it. 2 fucking runs where I over squeezed the front end and 3 runs where I missed the back end because I was a pussy fucking back end. Fuck this shit. So now I have first place on all difficulties on helicopter, which is kind of cool. So cool. Just show no easy expert. Wonder if it shows it on hard. That'll be kind of cool. But it usually only scores expert scores. Like, no, it doesn't show it. It's kind of glitchy. That's 600 above that. God, that was fucking annoying. It shouldn't have took that long. I hit that fucking squeeze 6 times. 6 times. Fucking hell, dude. Annoying.